And today I'm going to talk to you about dark mode templates and designs in Klaviyo and the best practices for it. So if you do this wrong, then you're going to have some really whack looking stuff. So the reason you want to use dark mode is if people have like dark mode on their phones, it's going to turn your content dark. So I'm going to teach you some of the best practices. So number one is to use transparent backgrounds. Make sure you do that on your images, because if you don't, this is going to have like a white border around it. So you can see here, this is with a white border. This is transparent. It makes it look good. Now, with text as well, what you don't want is, you don't want to do transparent text because this text is black with a white background. So if I remove the white background from this and it was transparent, it'd be black on black. You won't be able to see it. So you want to use text, and what that's going to do on dark mode, it's going to automatically turn it from black to white, which is useful. Now, something you want to do is test your emails. So send them to yourself or preview them and just see, does it work on dark mode? Does it work on white mode? If you do that, you're going to increase your results from your emails. So yeah. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.